Hey everybody, I want to give y'all a quick update on a new project that we've started. We bought a renovation project and want to give y'all kind of an idea of what we're getting ourselves into. So let's check it out. Hold on. So this is it. We got a 2-bedroom, 2-bath renovation project, 1,400 square feet. And I'm gonna start demo today. Our dumpster didn't get here in time, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use this area here as my little dumpster. I can hide most of it from the neighbors, so they'll be happy. But I'm going to just take all the walls out. I've got to check and make sure this may be load bearing, we'll find out. But if I have to, we'll put a beam in place to knock that wall out. I'm gonna open up the entire floor plan. Here's the kitchen. This will be coming out today. Done some investigative work already. This is the living room with the lovely carpet. Ooh. It's a fixer-upper. And it comes with a nice stinky basement. So we'll get that addressed as well. We're gonna knock majority of these walls out and may keep a couple of these bedroom walls. Bathroom will have to be expanded here. It's a little tight, as you can see. This is the current master bedroom. Decent size. We got a decent sized bathroom in here. Won't have to do a whole lot as far as reconfiguring in here, I don't believe, but we'll see. But it's going to take a lot of work to open this completely up. I'm going to have to move the attic entrance to the hallway that I'm going to create. And I'm also going to move these stairs out of the middle of the house and move them somewhere else, that way I can get that open concept. We won't go down there, it's pretty nasty. This is the little dining room. Got a nice deck out here. Oh, I say nice, it has potential, it's big. I've got to put new decking in and railing and things like that, but the structure itself is in pretty good shape. So outside wise, not too bad. Siding's in good shape, foundation's in good shape. Probably knock out that entire deck and do some pavers or something from the basement door, but that all has to be tore out. You know, just gotta get it cleaned up, back to its beauty once again, and somebody will enjoy it later. But yeah, it's a nice big deck. Just needs some repair. So that is what we got going on now. So now I'm having to split my time between our own projects at home and this one, but we need to make some money, and this is how I like to do it. I like to invest in real estate and flip properties. And as you can see with my channel, I do like projects, so this is one to add to my list. But all right, so day one demo is in the books. I'm calling it a day, and I want to kind of show you guys some of the good, bad, and the ugly. Or really, today's been more bad and ugly, not much good. So let's kind of go over what we found during the demo. All right, so this was an addition that I've been added on to it apparently. You can see there we have this shiplap tongue and groove style wood for the original exterior back in 1950. And then they added this on. And I mean, we thought they did a good job, but of course once you start taking out the paneling and everything, you start really seeing what you're getting into. And this is the bad part. Under these windows, water has been getting in for who knows how many years. And you can see here, it is gone. And it goes all the way down to the concrete block foundation. So the 2x4s there, all the way down through the seal plates that connect to the foundation are completely rotted. I mean, it goes all the way through. So just by looking from here without taking out the subfloor here, at least part of this wall has to be taken out and redone. And then at least 2 floor joists, because right here, there is supposed to be a floor joist meeting the 2x4s here, and there is nothing there. So we have at least 2 floor joists that need to be replaced, but really won't know what we're getting into until I take out some of this subfloor. So, yay, I was wanting to open up this entire floor plan and reconfigure it, but depending on how much this is gonna cost me, we'll see. And so walking through here, taking out more and more flooring. We did find hardwood floors, so that's nice, right? Maybe, I don't know. It may not be worth it to clean them up and refinish them because there's a lot of repair work. Found some vents that were covered, that the floor was covering, so that was interesting. I think there was like 2 or 3 vents that I found that was covered by floors. So we have to repair that. I'm moving that vent, so that would have to be repaired. And that floor in there looks pretty rough. So I don't know if they're worth salvaging, we'll see. And I'm gonna save that for another day. I'm ready to go home. Then over here we have another addition. So this used to be some kind of a porch area, and they decided to add another bedroom on here, which is fine. No, it is what it is, but they apparently didn't do a very good job putting these windows in and waterproofing them. Because over here we have more water damage, so I can only imagine what I'm gonna find behind these walls when I take the paneling off. So this is some of the stuff you get into when you renovate houses. That's why they're so cheap, because they require a lot of work. We have a little bit of an advantage, or big advantage rather, because I can do a majority of the work myself. Here's another vent that was completely covered by flooring. So can you imagine all the crap that's in there that couldn't get through? Or what if that was getting through over the years? Ew. But I'm taking out all the AC and duct work, putting in new AC, and we're gonna run the duct work up into the ceilings. Because I'm not a big fan of floor vents. They just get covered with dust and dirt and yuck. So there's still a lot of work to be done. But I've had enough for today. I'm gonna call it quits. Well, actually, I'm gonna clean the gutters out, and then I'm gonna call it quits. So I'll keep you updated. Hopefully we don't find too many more issues, but that's it for today. See ya.